Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Grindbux, okay? So let's take a look at Grindbux to find out exactly how you can really earn free crypto, free PayPal, and gift cards, and earn thousands of dollars every single day. And let's just see if this is real, whether it's legit or not, okay? And then you can decide for yourself whether this is worth your time. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, minimum 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I will send you that strategy straight to your email if you would like, okay? Now let's take a look at Grindbux. Grindbux is your typical GPT website. That means get paid to click, okay? Get paid to do something. And I've reviewed a lot of these websites, GPT style websites. It's a very common website. And essentially what you can do is you can come on here and you can fill out surveys and download offers. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then you can exchange the points that you make from the surveys and the offers that you download into real money. So either into crypto, into PayPal, and into different gift cards as well, okay? Now the thing here is it says join thousands of users already earning hundreds of dollars every day. This is a big income claim. Let's see whether that's really possible or not, okay? Because most GPT websites, you can't earn hundreds of dollars every single day. You can only earn a couple of dollars, but hundreds of dollars will take you months in order for you to do that because it's just the nature of the website, okay? So the good news is that Grindbux is global. You know, you can join from pretty much anywhere in the world. You can just come here, create an account. You know, this is Discord, this is Google. You can join for free. And if you click on earn right here, you'll find different ways for you to actually make money, right? Now, the thing about Grindbux is that it's not organized very well. You know, you don't really know what the categories are. This right here under earn is a mixture of survey websites and offer walls, okay? So they don't really tell you exactly what they are. So sometimes it can be confusing if you're not familiar with a website like this. But the good news is that I've reviewed many GPT websites, and some of these guys right here, they're very big survey websites and offer walls. So OfferToro is big, BitLabs is big, Inbraid, is big, CPX Research is a very big survey website, Loot.tv is where you watch videos and you get paid for watching the ads, okay? Lootably, these are all very big companies. AdGate Media, Monly X, okay? So very legit, all right? So that's a good news. The good news is Grindbux is legit. They work with third-party survey companies and offer walls where you can really make real money. Now, this is how it works. If you were to say, for example, click on inbrain.ai and they were to lead you, or CPX Research, and they were to lead you to their survey website, you would fill in a pre-qualification questionnaire. They would ask you a whole bunch of questions. It'll take you probably 15 minutes to half an hour to answer those questions. And then based on your answers, they will give you access to certain surveys for you to fill out based on your location, your background, your interest, your demographic, okay? Now, the bad news is that websites like CPX Research, even though they do pay real money, they don't allow you to fill out like 100 surveys a day. That's not how survey filling works. You can only fill out the amount of surveys that they give you access to based on your background information. And for the most part, if you're lucky, you can only fill out a couple of surveys a day. Most of the time, you won't even be able to do that. Most of the time, you're only able to fill out one survey every couple of days, sometimes one survey a week, sometimes one survey a month. It really depends on you and your location, okay? So that's why, excuse me, it is quite difficult for you to make a lot of money with surveys. Even if you are filling out multiple survey websites like InBrain, AdGate Media, for example, okay? Now, offer wall is based, so for example, like Time Wall is an offer wall where you would basically download different types of offers. They have all types. They've got gaming offers, they've got gym offers, they've got credit card offers, and usually with offers, what will happen is you're going to have to jump through a few hoops in order for you to make the points based on their requirements. So for example, they might have a game offer where you can download the game for free, but in order to get a certain amount of points, you have to reach level 30 on that game before they will actually pay you out the points. So a lot of the offers require you to do something first. You either have to play the game until a certain level, maybe you have to invest your own money of $50 to make another $50 back. Sometimes you have to put your credit card information down. So offers aren't the easiest thing to make money with, and sometimes you have to spend money in order to make some money back. I hope that makes sense, okay? So that's kind of the way that you can make money here. It's very simple, either surveys or offer walls, all right? Now, how do you get your money, right? So if you come to shop right here, you'll see that there are different ways for you to make money, which is pretty cool, okay? Now, they've disabled PayPal, and I know that this is a problem, you know, for the whole world, so I think they're having some issues with PayPal right now, but it'll probably come back at some time in the future. But for now, you can withdraw your money through Visa, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Solana, and then in some gift cards as well, Roblox, Amazon, Steam, and Discord Nitro. All right, so let's just say you wanted to download your cash from Visa. You would click on it, it will pop up on the bottom, which is a bit weird, and 500 coins or 500 diamonds is worth 50 cents. Okay, so 1,000 points, 1,000 diamonds is worth $1. So with this particular option, Visa, your minimum threshold is 50 cents, which is pretty good. Okay, and then it's $1, then it's $1.50, and then it's $2.50, right? So for example, if it's Roblox, you can see here minimum $10, then 20, then 40, then 60, right? So it's different for every single one. If it's crypto, it's pretty good. You only need 25 cents to withdraw 250 diamonds. It's very little, right? Amazon gift cards, minimum is $5, right? But the big question is how long is it going to take you to get to, let's just say $10, right? Just a nice round number, okay? Well, here's the thing about GPT websites, okay? So if I come back to earn here, just so that you can understand, based on your activity, they will reward you with a different amount of points for the activities that you take, okay? Now, on average, most surveys will pay you between 50 cents and $2 per survey that you fill out. So on average, let's just say around 80 cents to $1. That's average for a lot of good survey companies like CPX Research, right? But here's the problem. You're not going to be able to fill out 50 surveys a day, like I mentioned. You could probably only fill out one survey a day, sometimes one survey every few weeks, maybe only one survey a week, sometimes even one survey a month, right? So even if you're making $1 per survey, let's just say, right? You don't get access to that many surveys, so you can't fill out 10 surveys a day and make $10. Does that make sense, right? So it's really about the availability of the surveys that they have at that particular time based on your location and your demographic and your interests and stuff like that and your background, all right? So you can't earn that much from the surveys. The offers, on the other hand, they have a lot of offers, but the problem with the offers is it requires you to jump through a lot of hoops. It's very time consuming, and for you to make money back from that requires a lot of time. Sometimes you can't even do it in a day. Sometimes it requires a few days before you can make points back from a specific offer, all right? So how much can you really make with a website like Grindbux? Now, on the front, it said that you can earn hundreds a day, right? Now, this, I think, is a bit of an exaggeration, okay? On a GPT website, you can probably earn about, if you're spending 2 or 3 hours on this site, you'll earn roughly about $1 to $2, maybe $3 a day. That's it. The average that the GPT website pays out is about 80 cents per hour. So you do the math, right? If you spend 3 hours on this website, hustling, downloading offers, doing surveys, you will probably earn, you know, again, 80 cents times 3. So let's just round it up to $3, right? So $2 to $3 around there. It's not that much money for the amount of time that you're paying in. Now, the good news is that they are legit, right? So they do pay out. They've got many options. It's free. It's global. So there's many ways that you can do this. But the thing is that you're only earning about 80 cents per hour. That's less than minimum wage. So I just want you to understand that that's the limitation with GPT websites. Now, if you live in a country where 80 cents an hour is life-changing income, then Grindbux is a great option for you. But maybe you're watching this and you're in a country where, you know, 80 cents $1 an hour is not life-changing, right? You can't retire on that. You can't travel the world. You can't pay off your mortgage. You can't really do much with 80 cents to $1 per hour, right? So maybe in that case, Grindbux might not be the best option for you, even though it is free and it's legit, okay? So that's my review on Grindbux. I hope you enjoyed. You can check it out, grindbux.com. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you do have 2-3 hours a day extra, you should be making hundreds of dollars every single day, not $2 to $3 every single day with a website like this. And if you want to learn my favorite strategy to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, every single month minimum, 100% from home, all you need is an internet connection and your computer. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box and I'll send you that strategy for free directly to your email. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video today and I will see you on another review. Take care.